my fellow cooking students. In today's episode, I'm gonna show you one of the 1,000 ways to cook chicken. And believe me, you are gonna be amazed of how easy and delicious this recipe is. Remember that I'm gonna leave all the ingredients in the description box below, and also make sure to share this recipe with your friends and family. Step 1. Chop your vegetables. We're gonna start with our pepper. And for this recipe, you can use any pepper, be it red, orange, green, or yellow like the one I'm using. Here's the part we fear the most. Time to cry. You gotta chop your onion very, very, very finely. Now chop your garlic the same way. Step 2. Seasoning time. Now slice your chicken breast and then proceed to dice it into cubes. Now add your honey, salt and pepper to taste, Maggi seasoning sauce, or if you don't have this, then you can use soy sauce, 2 or 3 cloves, ground cumin, paprika, cinnamon or nutmeg, and some ground curry. Now mix all that up and let it sit for around 30 minutes. Oh, by the way, don't forget to add some fresh parsley. Step 3. Put some heat on it. First you have to wait until your pan is really hot, then add the oil, then wait until the oil is really hot, and now you can start adding your onion and your garlic. Stir until the onion looks soft. Now you can add your marinated chicken. Stir for around 10 or 15 minutes. I added some candied ginger, but this is totally optional. Now add your pepper and stir for another 10 minutes. Add a splash of soy milk. Stir for another 5 minutes, and now it's ready. You've got your Mediterranean chicken all done. And that's it! You got yourself the best Mediterranean chicken. I truly hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please make sure to leave your comments down below, and I'll see you next Friday. Ciao!